Hello everyone, welcome to FA Trick Videos. We're going to explain some fast and easy tricks. Here we go with fantastic tutorial about iPhone ringtones. In this video you will learn how to make a special ringtone for your iPhone that no one has this. Also you can make ringtones according to your taste. You can choose anything such as piano or guitar songs or music from your favorite singer. Just please before watching this video don't forget to subscribe our channel and press notification button. Okay. First of all, you should have GarageBand and Ringtone Maker. All of iPhone consumers have this GarageBand as default in their iPhones, and you should download Ringtone Maker from App Store. After installing these apps, you must open the Ringtone Maker to transfer your favorite song in this app. For transferring and opening your favorite song in this app, you should click on this plus sign. Then the app will request ways of opening your song here, that if you have computer you can select upload from PC, but also viewers of this video don't have a computer to make a ringtone, so they choose another way to making ringtone with their iPhones, and they will select more to browse where they save that song and choose it and open it in this app. After opening the song, you should click on that song to open a bar. Now you should click on clip to cut your favorite part of song. It would be at least 25 seconds and turn on fade out and fade in for 2 seconds. Now you have new file that is going to be your ringtone. Click on that new file and then click on make with ringtone icon, and you should open this song in another application that is GarageBand. So you must select GarageBand to transfer this song. After opening GarageBand, you should push your finger on that song to open some options. Then select on share button and choose ringtone and continue to see next step. Here you should press export on top right and wait for exporting as ringtone. Then you should select use sound as, and here you have 3 options. First, having this ringtone as standard, second text tone, third assign to content. That I'm going to choose first one. After choosing a standard, it will transfer to your ringtones in setting. You can watch it here and choose it as your default ringtone to have something special. That's it. You made a special ringtone for your iPhone successfully. Just please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press notification button. And if you have any questions, ask them in comment box. Thank you, have a nice time, goodbye.